And of course, Sempani say, Asante your mind. What time Asante? What time when Casao?
Chairman, the Bobie, Trinidad and Tobago, Alpine, the name senior of West Africa, and pay on a Besser no common cause.
Your Royal Majesty, it is a great pleasure that I am here to bring greetings from not only my Prime Minister, Dr. KUMASI, but also from the newly elected, not elected, but newly appointed President, Christine Kangaloo. This is my first official visit, courtesy visit to the palace, and I thank you for allowing me to come, one. And I thought it fit that I'll be here prior to you going to Trinidad and Tobago for your inaugural visit next month, July the 30th. This is something that I think the Trinidad people would be looking forward to have what I call a true African king coming to Trinidad the first time to celebrate with us our emancipation. Not only emancipation as Bob Marley's emancipation of the mind, right, and body. So, it's with that I feel emotional coming here to do that. Because I was here in 2020 when the invitation was given by my Prime Minister. And I sat at the dinner. We were also hosted to a gala event on the Friday when we were here.
Situation with the Ghana Gas Company. So those are all issues that we need to be looking at, internally developing together and then developing our economies together. So Excellency, I thank you very much for this visit, and I'm looking forward to being in your country. And please convey my message to the Prime Minister and the President that I have accepted, and I'm looking forward to come, and I'm looking forward to an enjoyable visit. God bless you.